Hello everyone, thank you all so much for tuning in to the Highland Weather Channel's weather update. I am Chief Forecaster Beckett Webb here in the Highland Weather Channel Weather Center and the Highland News Channel Center. We are now doing our weather updates on the Highland News Channel and Highland Weather Channel. If you're tuning in to Highland Weather, thank you so much for supporting the Highland Weather Channel, and if you're tuning in on Highland News, thank you so much for tuning in to the Highland News Channel. So first, let's go ahead and get started with our what to know weather forecast. We will see some cold temperatures throughout much of the week with increasing sunshine Thursday and Friday. Then a storm system is expected to move in Friday night into Saturday morning with mixed precipitation expected. It will first start out as snow for the mountains. It'll first start out as snow, and then it'll transition in to mixed precipitation as we go on throughout the morning. We'll get to that 7-day forecast shortly. And then by mid-afternoon, late evening, Saturday, we should start seeing cold rain as temperatures start to warm up into the 40s. If we look at our futurecast, this is 5 a.m. We can see some clouds moving in. But as we continue on our futurecast, snow starts showing up again from yesterday. And then it should start moving out by 3-4 p.m. And then we should start seeing some clear skies until Friday comes in to bring in that snow chance. Here is the expected snowfall forecast from the National Weather Service. We can see at least 0.5 inches in the Asheville Metro. Brevard could see up to 1.8 inches of snow, while Newland can see up to 1.2 inches of snow. So some areas could get some snow, some areas couldn't. This is subject to change as it's Friday and it's today's Thursday, so we have a few hours. But the biggest threat that we have as of now is the expected ice accumulation. This is the area highest concern, as we can see about 0.15 inches of ice accumulation in Hickory, 0.08 inches in Tryon. So we're going to see a lot of ice accumulations with that mixed precipitation of freezing rain, possibly sleet falling on the surface. Now let's take a look at our 7-day forecast, fresh from the Highland Weather Channel. As we go on throughout today, we can see 40 degrees for a high low of 20. Friday, mostly sunny with a high of 43 and a low of 30. And as we look at Saturday, we should start seeing that mixed precipitation. It shows rain currently as we're supposed to get warmer temperatures. We're going to be into the almost 50s in the Asheville Metro as we continue on. Saturday, mostly sunny. Sunday, mostly sunny. And then Monday, mostly sunny. And then we should start out most of the week, Tuesday and Wednesday, with showers starting to move into the broadcasting area with a high of 50, low of 35. And then Wednesday, high of 44 and a low of 28. Now let's take a look at our Greenville forecast. Our Greenville 7-day forecast. We can see that rain is also expected on Saturday with a high of 44 and a low of 33. It's going to stay above freezing, so would not expect any. We may see some mixed precipitation Friday night, but we shouldn't see any accumulations. Today is going to be in the 50s, low of 24. Rain returns again Tuesday, and then we should stay a little bit cooler throughout much of the week. If we take a look at our Gatlinburg, Tennessee weather forecast, if we take a look at our Tennessee forecast for Gatlinburg, we can see again the same thing as we saw Thursday. Today, high of 40, low of 23. Saturday, we should see that possible mixed precipitation with a high of 48 and a low of 35. But we'll start off Wednesday with possible snow. We'll keep you updated on that. Possible snow accumulation, possible snow, high of 44, low of 31. Again, all of this is subject to change. Keep it tuned to the Highland Weather channel. Follow us on X. Check out our 24/7 live weather broadcast. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Happy New Year. Welcome in the new graphics on the Highland Weather and Highland News channel. And I will see you guys on